and today we are going to make some crepes with some meat filling. And let's get over with the crepes, which is milk, water, melted butter, eggs, and then the dry is the sugar, salt, vinegar, baking soda, and flour. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl or just plain bowl, add in all the wet stuff, which is milk, eggs, water, melted butter. Let's whisk that together. Now we're going to combine the, as you can see now it's all yellowy, baking soda and a splash of vinegar. Mix it so all the baking soda gets it. You can add a little less than the recipe that I got from my friend. Maybe for me it was a little too much, but you can adjust to your liking. And then we're going to add in the sugar and the flour. So the sugar and the salt, and then now we're going to add in the flour. So to get this recipe, you guys can go to satisfieddish.com, and I have the link below in the description box. Go ahead and you'll find that link. It'll take you straight to the recipe. So now we're whisking that and cover and let it refrigerate for about an hour. So here is meat. I've cooked it and I've pulsed it, so it's like kind of like ground beef. Here's onion. I diced it. We're gonna saute, and I have some hard-boiled eggs on the side. So meat is done. We're working on the caramelization of the onion, and that's done. And the eggs, we're just gonna grate it on the smaller grate, as you can see. So just grate it small. And then we're gonna combine all of it together. The onion, the meat, and the eggs. And this is a perfect mixture for the meat filling for crepes. It was really good. So now we can work on our crepes. That's been about an hour. So just work it. I use the non-stick, works the best. You don't really need to add oil, maybe just a little bit if you need, but otherwise see how it goes. And here we are. These are the perfect crepes, I think, for meat fillings, as they're soft, but yet they're like not extreme soft, you know, and they're thin too. They're not thick. So how we're gonna do this is you can do this however you want, if you want more filling or less. So I make kind of like a little envelope type of thing, and then I just roll across, around, roll and roll and roll. And then once you've done this, you want to heat it up on a buttered skillet. It is the best, very delicious. And I have many more to go. Alright, so I'll show what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, it's full of the mixture, which is what everybody wants. So there you are. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe. And so you guys will not miss any recipes that I will be posting. Yum, yum, yum. Those are really good. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.